Hey there, Pathan and teachers. Welcome back to the channel where coding isn't just about writing lines of code, it's about writing lines of code with flair. Today we are Pathan. I know, decorators sound like something you hang on a Christmas tree. But trust me, they are way cooler than that. These little magic tricks can make your code cleaner and more elegant. So, if you're ready to learn how to decorate your classes in the way that I will make you look like a Python wizard, or at least make your code look like one, hit that like button and let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. So guys, let's talk about in the Python what are exceptions in object-oriented programming means in OOP. So let's talk about it. In Python, exceptions are errors detected during execution that interrupt the normal flow of a program. Exception handling is a powerful lecture in OOP, allowing you to create a robust and maintainable code by managing errors gracefully. Now let me tell you a key concept of exceptions in OOP. First, try and except block. This structure allows you to test the code for errors, try block and handle them except block. Number 2, finally block. It ensures execution of code regardless of whether an exception occurred or not. Number 3, custom exceptions. You can handle your custom exception classes by inheriting from the base exception class. This is one example of the basic try except example. So let's copy the example. Let me create a one window and then let me create a one file index.py, and I'm making this file in my documents, create file, and yes. So let's see the output of it. So when I write this code, save it, and so it give me the output. So it'll be error division by 0, execution complete, division successfully, result 5.0, and then execution complete. Why give me result 5.0? Because it will give me 5.0 because in the I write 10, 0, 10, 0. So 10 divided by 0 is equals to 0. Okay, that's type of one output. Okay, so now let's come on number 2, custom exception in OOP. There is an example of the custom exception in OOP. So let's copy it and let's run this example also. So in this example, first of all, we create a one custom exception class in the second line. Then here we exception range on the for negative values. Then in the 10th line, we class that uses the custom exception. Then in the 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 line, we usage it. Now save it and run it. So the output will be coming like a catch exception negative value encountered -5. So here you can see it give me this type of an output. Number 3, raising and chaining exception. This is an example of the raising and chaining exception. So let's copy and paste it. So for let's save it and run it. So it give me not extent file dot text dot found. So it give me this type of an error. So let me see. Okay, because I did not create this type of an file, so let's create it. Non existent file.txt, and I'm making this file in my documents, and then here I'm writing, hi, how are you? You come on this file using Python. My subscribe my channel, Rayyan, and Happy New Year. Now save it and run it. So now it is giving me output. Let me see. Non-exiting accent. Okay, what is my file name? Accentant. Okay. Okay, let me make this file on my here, like right click and then notepad, non x. Okay, let me go on it here and then let me copy this and paste it. Okay, let me rename it and let me remove this. First of all, remove this and then right click and then enter. Hi, how are you? You are fine. Welcome to Rayyan. Okay, so like that you can write it, then close it, and then close it. Now perfect, then come in here. Okay, so now perfect now, and then when you do this, so now right click no. So now like that you can do it. So why does it give me file not found error? Because why does it give me the file is not found? Because I write file not found error. So okay, that's why it does not give me the file. And because in this example I am raising and chaining the exception, so that's why it cannot give me the output. Best practices. First, use the specific exception types for clarity. Number 2, always clean up resource using finally or context in managers, for example with. Number 3, avoid bare except clauses, specify the exception type. Number 4, define the custom exception for domain, specify error handling. So this is one example is of the error handling. Okay, this is one example of the error handling, so you must know. So if it's giving you the error, so come on to here and write what is error in this code, then it will be solved the error. Okay, but it is giving me the error because this is one example of the define a custom exception for domain specific error handling. There is one example of the error handling, so that's why it is giving me the error. So if we do not want to error, so now it not give you the error. Okay, so now like that you can do it. Okay, so but anyways, in today's video we talk about what are the exceptions in object-oriented programming means in OOP. So if you enjoy this video, so please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to all your notification bell also, so you never miss this type of videos. And now I be you attack very amazing live, but I give the outro of this video in the big screen, so let's come on the big screen. But first of all, come on to the Google Chrome and search here my channel by the name of Rayyan. Then we are very near to 5,000 subscribers, so please complete it. You are losing my subscriber. I'm come on the 44,019 subscribers. So why you are doing this? Okay, why you are doing this, man? Then click on my playlist and access my all the playlists. Okay, and see my all the videos of it and bookmark my playlist also. And you are successfully completed the 1,000 views to my playlist. So thanks for this type of thing, and this is very big achievement for me. Okay. So but anyways, I meet you next class, and now I give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's move to on the big screen and let's give the outro of this very beautiful video. And today is the new year EV, and tomorrow there is our new year. So let's celebrate the new year tomorrow. So but anyways, let's give the outro of this video, very beautiful video. So let's give the outro. You have it, folks. That's how you can add some flair to your classes using OOP decorators in Python. I hope you now feel like a decorator pro. If you found this video helpful or just enjoy the ride, be sure to hit that like button or subscribe for more Python fun. Got any question or want to see more cool Python tricks? Drop a comment below and I will catch you in the next one. Until then, happy coding and keep decorating your code.